Hi, dear students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to talk about a new lesson. It's about graphs, scales of two or more. So let's start. I'm going to use the graph now to solve. What do you think this is a pictograph? Why? Because we are using here pictures, right? This is page 675 in your book. So I have here the pictograph talks about what? Dogs at the park. So I have here the key, which is very important. Each triangle stands for one dog. So how many here black dogs? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you got here a question. How many brown dogs and white dogs are at the park? Brown and white. So I'm going to count all the brown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we got here 7. And white 1, 2, 3. And we got here 3. 7 plus 3 together gives me 10 dogs for brown and white dogs, right? Okay, use the data in the bar. Okay, data means what? Means information in the bar graph. Why bar graph? Consists of bar. To make a pictograph. Okay, look closely at the scale and key of the graphs. I have here games played. This is the name of the bar graph. And I have here the names of the games. And I have here the number of children. So the checkers, how many children for the checkers? 1, 2, 3. So each here circle stands for 2 children. So I've got here what? For 1 children, not 2. It's written here wrong 1. So we write here 1 instead of 2. So how many here? How many children? Likes checkers 3, so I'm going to draw 3 here balls. What about the chess? Just 1, so I'm going to draw here just 1 ball. For the computer, 1, 2, 3, 4, so I got here 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And for here the puzzle, I've got here 1, 2, 3, so I'm going to draw just 3. Okay, guys, easy one. I think it is. So, if I say here another thing, if I say here each ball stands for 2 children this time, this means what? I've got here for the red, if I go like this and go down, this is 6. This means what? I want for each here 1, 2 children. So we got here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, for the chess I have got here and go down 2, 1, 2 in the same box. For the computer we got here 8, so I'm going to distribute it here by 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And for the puzzle I've got here for the puzzle 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, but let it be very easy or easier than that. Let's hear each circle stands for 1 will be easier for you. So let's complete. We've got here use the data in the pictograph to make a bar graph. So each here ball stands for 2 insects. We've got here the insects in the garden. This is a pictograph. The bee 1, 2, 3. He asks me for every here. Each one stands for 2. So here for 2, and this is 2. This is 2, 2, 2, 2 means 4, 6. So I'm going to draw it here like this, and I will color here this 3 because I want 6. The butterflies, okay, I've got here 1, 2, 3, 4. If it's easier for you to do it like this, it's okay. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I'm going to color until 8. Until 8. What about the ladybug? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to here color until 4. What about the dragonfly? 1, 2. So I'm going to draw just 2. Okay, so it's easier for you to draw circles, more than one circle, it will be fine. How many ladybugs are in the garden? What do you think, guys? Here we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many here? So I will say there are 4 ladybugs. What about here? How many? More bees than ladybugs. Okay, so the bees here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will write here the 6. So and for the ladybugs and for the also the bees, the ladybugs this time 4. So the difference between 6 and 4. So here the difference between 6 and 4, the ladybugs and the bees. So we got here 2 more insects. Okay, let's have another question here. So use the data in the bar graph to make a pictograph. I have here, okay, look at here the bar graph. We have here the pets and we have here the number of children, and we've got here the pictograph. This time we look at here in every pictograph we look at the key. Each here face stands for 5 children. 5 children. So for the first one we got here, go like this and then down, we got 10. So 10 is distributed here, okay, between what we have here, the bird. Okay, so we got 10. So I'm going to draw how many faces? Each face with 5. We got here 5. So 5 plus 5 gives me 10. So we will draw 2 faces. For the cat, we will draw how many? This is 20. 5, 5, 5, 5. I will draw 4 faces. For dog, I've got here what? The same 20. I will draw here 4 faces. 5, 5, 5, 5. For the fish, just 1 face. Okay, look at the graphs above. Ted think that 2 more children chose dog than bird. Is Ted correct or not? Okay, Ted thought that 2 more children chose here dog. Okay, dog than bird. So the dog here, we've got how many dogs? 20 dogs. And for what? The bird? 10. So the difference here is what? No, the difference here is 10, not 2. Okay, use the key here. Use the key, draw pictures in the pictograph to show the data. Okay, we have here another question. Okay, we've got here cats at the cat show. Black, the colors brown, white. Each circle stands for 2 cats. Okay, there are 10 white cats. 10 white cats. Okay, and he asks me that every here 1 stands for 2. So we need 10. It means that in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So after that, please draw the whole circle to make it more easy and accurate for you. And for the black cats, we got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So draw here 3 big circles. And for the brown, we got 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 2 big. Here 2, here 3, here 5. Okay, 3, 2, 5. So use the pictograph. How many fewer brown cats than black cats? Okay, brown and we've got here brown and what? Brown and black. So brown here. How many brown? 4. And black 6. So 6 minus 4 gives me 2. So the answer will be 2. We have here the last thing we got. Use the bar graph. How many? This is a bar graph. How many books did Noah read? So Noah read, okay, 6 books. Okay, very easy. Okay, guys, by this we covered the lesson and we're going to have more practice together. The homework page 679, and for more practice you can solve 680. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.